Hello guys, and welcome back to another pure CSS image. Today I will do a notepad and I'm using Dancing Script as a font, and here are my SCSS colors. I'm using some gradient colors from left to right or from right to left, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box to where I found these colors. I'm going to comment my red box as I don't need it right now, and I only use this to go to the middle my picture. Now we'll have a notepad, and then I will divide this to notepad left and to notepad right. Inside this I will have a line top left and a line bottom left, and I will do the same thing for my right part. Now in the SCSS I'm going to write all my classes, and as you will have probably seen from my previous videos, I use classes and not that much IDs, because sometimes I don't know if I will use the same class again or not, so I just prefer to use classes. Now my notepad bag is ready, and I'm going to do the notepads left and right. I don't have to change much things for the left and the right, just the color and of course the property left or right. I will start with two thick lines, one in the top and one in the bottom. You can use whatever colors you like. I just think that pink looks good in a notepad. And now I'm going to continue with some lines. I have already found that I want to use 15 lines. The lines will be exactly the same for left and the right part, so you don't have to write the lines 2 times. Also, I will change just a little bit the colors, and now every time I will just change the property top, and I will add every time 5% to the top property. And now you can see that we have everything both in the left and right sides. In my notepad I want also some holes, and now I will write 15 holes, like 15 for the lines and 2 more, one for the top and one for the bottom. It's pretty easy to do the holes, just do a border radius of 50%. And you do the same thing just 70 times. Also the top you're going to add 5 times. Sorry, 5% every time. Left and right are again the same things, and so now you have everything. So the last part for my notepad will be some half circles. Maybe that's not the best name for a class. And again I need 17 of them. With this clippy tool that I will also link in the description box, you can make some pretty cool shapes. I just needed a shape to link the two parts, the left and the right on. And so now also this is ready. So I will add some details, but that's not mandatory. Of course you can do whatever you like with this. In the daily CSS image I'm going to use my font line that I saw you in the beginning, and I will add some number and date in the top of my notepad. I need this both left and right, and that's why of course I'm using classes. Adjust the properties and it will be ready. It's no time. I think that I like it. And now I'm going to use the fonts family. I just have here the Dasing script, and I prefer some big fonts line. I like this result. And also the very last thing is that I decided to draw like a human or something like that you could draw easily in a notepad. My human will have only a face, body, some just 2 legs and hands, and it will be a very simple draw. You can see here that I'm using background auto. It's a nice property to use auto because you can see the backgrounds and you don't have to do much. Now my hands are ready. And now also my legs are going to be ready in just a moment. Okay guys, and that's it. Let's see it. This is the final result. I hope you like it, and thank you very much for watching.